Hello, my name is Paul and I'm with FileCenter. Do you store your documents in the cloud or on premise, in your computer within your network? One other question, do you work with large numbers of files each day? If so, then it's important to understand which platform saves you the most time and money. Watch now as I do a latency speed comparison between FileCenter, which is on-premise, and a popular cloud document management software solution. We'll start by dragging and dropping a 32-page PDF file from my desktop into FileCenter. We'll then measure how quickly we are able to preview this file. As you can see, it took only 2.61 seconds to preview any of the 32 pages found in this file. Now, before I drag and drop the same 32-page file into the DMS cloud solution, I ran this internet speed test. As you can see, the internet speed here is very fast. I will now drag and drop the same 32-page PDF file into the DMS cloud provider. As you can see, it took 23.32 seconds to preview the first page up in the cloud. It will also take additional time to view any of the other 31 pages. So which is faster? In this example, on-premise is almost 10 times faster.